our kitty can draw friends. Warning, this Pikachu Squishmallow is too cute. Let's draw it anyway. First, draw a horizontal curved line. Then draw a vertical line coming up from each side. And connect them together at the top with another curved line. Draw a half circle on top for the hat. Then draw a small zigzag circle for the pom-pom. Draw an upside down letter V on each side with pointy ends to make Pikachu's ears. Make a curved line near the tip of each. Draw a large half an egg shape coming down from the hat for the body of the Squishmallow. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Inside, draw two oval shapes for the eyes. Make them slightly tilted. Then color them, leaving white spots to show light reflection. Draw a tiny triangular shape in the middle for the nose and two half circles coming down from it for the mouth. Near the bottom, inside the Squishmallow, draw two diagonal lines on each side for the arms. Connect each pair with a zigzag line for the tiny fingers. Now decorate the top part of the hat with a snowflake by drawing a vertical line and a letter X intersecting it. Then draw a couple of letter V's at the end of each line. Then decorate the lower part of the hat with some vertical lines. Pika Squishtacular. Now you can draw a Winter Pikachu Squishmallow. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.